morning everyone. This is lecture number 35 of engineering thermodynamics. In last lecture we have seen numerical based some numerical based on steam, in which we saw the numerical based on saturated water, that is subcooled water, and saturated steam and wet steam. Today we will see problem based on superheated steam. Whenever we find enthalpy, entropy and specific volume of saturated water, subcooled water, wet steam and saturated steam, we require either pressure or temperature. And for wet steam, along with the pressure or temperature, we require dryness fraction. But for superheated steam, we requires pressure as well as temperature both. Look at the problem. Find specific enthalpy, specific entropy and specific volume of a steam at 1.5 bar and 120 degrees Celsius. Look at here. Along with pressure, temperature also given. Specific heat of a steam is 2.1 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Using analytical method. Analytical method means using formula we have to find enthalpy, entropy and specific volume. First of all, let us understand whether the steam is superheated or not. At 1.5 bar and 120 degrees Celsius, whether the steam is superheated or not. Whenever pressure and temperature is given, the steam is superheated. But we can check whether it is surely superheated or not. Here I have pasted the steam table for 1.5 bar. For 1.5 bar, saturation temperature is 111.3 degree Celsius. Means at 1.5 bar, water will boil at 111.3 degrees Celsius, and this temperature is greater than this. It means this is more than saturation temperature. Therefore, it is superheated temperature. Now, for 1.5 bar, these are the different values given for specific enthalpy, entropy, and specific volume. Superheated steam temperature is 120 degrees Celsius. Saturated temperature from the steam table at 1.5 bar is 111.3 degrees Celsius. Now, enthalpy formula for superheated steam: S soup is equal to Hg plus Cp S T soup minus T sat. Hg at 1.5 bar we have taken 2693.4 plus CPS. CPS is specific heat, is given 2.1 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Now T soup is a superheated temperature which is given 120 degrees Celsius minus T sat. T sat is a saturation temperature 1.3 degree Celsius, and its calculation is coming out to be 2711.67 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Whenever we take temperature, we have to take temperature in Kelvin, but difference of temperature in any unit is same. Difference of temperature in any unit is same. Therefore, if we take degree Celsius or Kelvin, we will get same difference. But whenever there is addition, multiplication or division, we have to take temperature in Kelvin only. For Kelvin, we have to add 273 in the given temperature. Now entropy, the formula of entropy for superheated steam is S soup is equal to Sg plus Cp S ln T soup upon T sat. Sg is given 7.2334, specific heat is given 2.1, ln is a natural log. T soup, superheated temperature is 120 degrees Celsius, but here I am taking temperature in Kelvin, that is 120.273 upon saturated temperature 111.3 plus 273, we have to take in Kelvin, is equal to 7.280 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Specific volume is V soup is equal to Vg T soup upon T sat. Vg is 1.159. T soup is equal to 120 plus 273, that is in Kelvin, upon T set 111.3 plus 273 is equal to 1.182 meter cube per kg. This not 1.1, it is 1.182. By mistake it is 1.1.82.